Hey there! Today we are viewing the Greenbrier by Hunter Quinn Homes. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, approximately 2,200 square feet. Step on through this beautiful, oversized 8-foot glass front door that will lead you to 2 bedrooms and a full bath up in the front. Going back, there's your garage up to the super bonus area upstairs, your extra 4th bedroom, and you have a huge storage room. As you enter the kitchen family room, you'll see the laundry room off to the right. The kitchen and family room, dining room combo is very spacious with quartz countertops, tons of cabinets, Samsung appliances, island with double cabinets. The primary bathroom features double vanities, separate tub and shower, natural gas fireplace with a marble surround. This home features a covered porch, has 0.342 of an acre, backs up to woods. South Park has very limited HOA restrictions. This gorgeous home is listed at only $430,000. That's it. I'm Laura Moore. Give me a call at 864-569-1500 to see this beautiful home.